Round with the B12 with the racks in the middle. Yeah. Gents, how the fuck are we going, man? What are we doing, brothers? Ride around in the B12 with a rats and let's fucking restart that motherfucker. Evan, how we doing, my boy? It's hard as a motherfucker. Gents, how we doing? First in this bitch, Kevin. See you, broski. I see you, brother. Let me share this live, boys. Boys, if you just joined the TikTok, do me a favour. Share the live for me, man. Show some motherfucking love. Ride around in the B12 with the rats in the middle. With the baddest bitches. SK, how we doing, my family? What's good, buddy? Right, let me just share this about 2 seconds, lads. Too bad. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, okay, that's sweet. That's sweet. Boys, I'm still really looking for price to come up. I mean, what we've seen today, and we expected a little bit of a movement off of this 4 hour, but we can't really sell yet. We can't sell yet. I can honestly just see price continue up a little bit further, but what I'm really looking for, which will probably be the best thing for today, is to make the high of the week, just like we did last week. Make the high of the week, and we see Tuesday, make the high, the back end of Tuesday, trade back down, and then we see that bearish EU for the rest of the week. And that's sort of exactly what we had last week. So I'm anticipating quite a similar move. Yeah! With the racks in the middle. Wait, how the fuck are we doing on, man? YouTubers on it, man. Straight from the post-London stream. Come on, bro. How was the post-London stream, boys? How did it go with Lou? All good. Cool nothing this morning. Nah, mate. This is what I had this morning. So I had this. So I was looking for sells a lot this morning. Well, I say looking for sells. This was the initial position we had, which is the buyers up. Couldn't get in the buyers. And then once we took ages high, I was kind of seeing if we was going to trade through, but we didn't get a trade through at all. So no sell setups. We've had no sell setups. We've had no selling since fucking 7 AM. So selling at the moment is completely out of the question. We still need to wait for the buyers to go through. But if we see what we saw happen last Tuesday, we're looking for a very similar scenario, right? So this was the week, or this was last week, right? This was Monday. This is when the market opened. This is Monday. We saw price trade up. We then went into Tuesday. This is the first half of Tuesday here. and then we made a high of the week Tuesday, sort of late Tuesday, and then after Tuesday, sort of 5 p.m, price just fell out of his own arsehole. And then we continued price on, and all we was doing was continuing off these 4-hour levels. That's all we was doing, okay? So what we are looking for now is a very similar start. So Monday, as you can see, was bullish. Now we want Tuesday to follow through, and I'll prefer for Tuesday to make the high of the week. Like I said yesterday, boys, the best high of the week is formed between Tuesday, London Open, and Wednesday, New York close. This is the best high or low of the week, obviously, or low. But obviously, because we're in a bearish market, we're assuming that it's going to be our high of the week. So I do want to take our Friday high. Then I'm hoping then we can get some good trades. So I reckon New York could be good. Decent stream with Lou. I love listening to how he views the London session. It's fucking 30. 30, boys. Yes, Lou. What's good, bro? Ski GJ entry, re-entry on the OTE. Get cream hump. Then we'll slide. Broly, I ain't got that time. Ooh, what are you looking for on GJ? Because I would definitely say buyers are in order. I'm still looking to sell that yen, really. Man, I hop beside the Porsche. I'm gonna be in the main court. I didn't even see a notifier for it. What was that for, Lou? Stu, sorry. Notification for what? What the blocker. Oh, we had the trade through, perfect. Judge by 12 and care by 6. Just look at my wrist. Bit of a big stop. When you happy. I was busting up them bandos. For our week high we had before. Stay 10 toes. And then the thing is that we've also got as well, this is actually quite important. This is actually mad important as well. Is with the current war at the moment, Yemen are actually getting involved. They're going to start getting involved. And now the cautious thing around Yemen, and I did say this to the boys this morning, is they obviously, I think they ship about 5 to 7 million barrels of oil every single day through the Strait of, what's it called? It's called the Bab el Mandeb Strait. It's essentially the strait that goes through Yemen that goes to the Red Sea. So it provides the world with oil through the Red Sea. And obviously what that is going to cause, if they do look to close that, then you are going to see obviously oil prices continue to boom, which then we'll see a stronger dollar and a weaker yen. It's essentially the consensus we've had for the last a couple of weeks now. So that is a really important thing in terms of fundamentals that's going on right now. Yemen are probably going to start getting involved in this. Let's have a look at EJ. I was too low. I was moving slow. We've had the trade through. You could still enter, I guess. The same as GJ, to be honest. Yes, Luke, what's good, bro? You in here, bro. What was that? Sorry, Luke? Just by 12, didn't care about 6. False on gold. Honestly, boys, stay away from gold. One pair I'd say stay away from is gold. Stay away from gold. Just trust me. Don't even trade it. Forex is. I'll be real. Forex has been given so many opportunities. I've just been fucking missing some of them. This morning I missed this EU, which I really didn't want to fucking miss. Because that buy-up was great. And the momentum on it was insane. And yeah, it was perfect. GU had a very similar momentum. But for New York session, we want to see how the most crucial point for EU here is going to be this Friday high. This is so crucial. So crucial. Because then we're going to either see where price is going to reverse, as it's made the Tuesday high of the week, or if we genuinely just want to continue price on. DXY is still not near that daily fair value, which is key. They probably just want to push price up to then capitalise off higher prices. Exactly. That's exactly what I'm looking at, really. That's why I want to see EU come higher. That's the reason why we had the exact same manoeuvre happen last week. Do you expect USD to fill the 4-hour block completely? Yeah, I feel like it definitely will. I feel like it definitely will. I feel like, but that's the thing. If it fills the 4 hour, it's just pretty much coming into the daily imbalance, pretty much. So that's why, boys, with POIs, we're not guessing which one is coming off. I always mark one out, so I sort of got some form of consensus where price can come to. But price isn't always going to come off your level. In fact, it might come up to the higher level and then reverse down. It's understanding how to understand, how to actually see if we're reacting off a certain level or if we're just disrespecting it. That's why with points of interest, respect and disrespect is key to look at. Respect is when price is actually mitigating the level and continuing off. Disrespect is if it doesn't want to come to that level, it actually wants to come a little bit higher, possibly to another one, or you just got the bias wrong. But I do expect price to come up a little bit more. Friday high is what I want to see get swept. I think we might have taken... No, we haven't. Not just yet. No, I meant Yemen with oil. They're not done it yet, bro. But they've come out. There's tension around Yemen possibly joining the war. Because they want to attack Israel. But obviously they've not gone to war with them yet. They've not actually joined the war yet. But it's the tension around it. The tension, again, that's what the market price is in, right? They price in tension, uncertainty. Upside potential of oil should continue. Weaken that yen, strengthen that dollar. Maze, can you explain about consistency rules? Don't worry about consistency rules. Because you're not going to be using them. You're not going to need consistency rules because you're not going to be trading shitty accounts. Always go for 2-step minimum. Always go for 8% to plus 5%, obviously for your funded challenge minimum. And then go for bi-weekly payouts. Boys, you'll miss all of the stupid fucking consistency rules that no prop firm should have. No prop firm should have a fucking consistency rule. It's disgusting. It ruins people's trading, and consistency rules are shit. Is that ACG? That's ACG, yeah, Denston. That's ACG, bro. I'll write that again just so you guys, in case you didn't get it. 2-step, 8% plus 5%. So that's 8% phase 1, phase 2, 5. Bi-weekly payouts. When it comes to no spreads, no commission, you can pick that. It doesn't really matter. But just make sure you got 2-step, bi-weekly, 8%, 5%. Bias GJ, yeah, bro. I'm a real street. Gotta keep it right on my people. Going to bosses. Right, we'll see what price does here. Giuseppe, what's good, bro? Ski cream on a crop. FTMO is 30, bro. Literally cannot fault FTMO. The only thing I'd say about FTMO is their spreads are quite big. But again, that's nothing you should really complain about when it comes to prop firms. Some prop firms don't even fucking pay out. So that's why, honestly, FTMO goated. ACG goated. Came from the bottom. Down below. But let's see what GJ does. Down below. Money on me. Come on, bro. What is up with EU? Why is he not taking Friday high today? Fucking around hella. We need that to take the Friday high before we look for any positions. Max dedication with FT mode and hop to ACG. Yeah. Or other way round, either or. But very good prop firms. FT mode goated nonetheless. Just their spreads are a little bit. What's good? Phil, what we saying, bro? How you doing, man? And RR 1 to 2. I wouldn't recommend a fixed RR. That's... You get what comes in front of you, right? I mean, you can get a 1 to 4, 1 to 5. You might get a 1 to 9 sometimes. For me, I don't get 1 to 9s. But I do sometimes get like 1 to 6s, 1 to 5s. And then on average, I sort of 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. So don't never go for a fixed RR because you just limit yourself when there's an opportunity where you can juice out a bit more of a move. Yeah, so I'll never go for a fixed RR. But what makes sense for your trade, right? Funding pips, what about? I don't use them, bro. But apparently they've got loads of payouts, like higher payouts. Prop firm match, they show a lot of payouts, so maybe good, bro. But I'll be honest, I don't use them to tell you, because the things as well is I think a lot of people don't look at actually how you can trade in these accounts, like spreads, stuff like that. A lot of people miss out spreads, and spreads is quite a big thing. If their spreads are too big, I mean MFF. Take this for an example, right? We used to be fun with MFF, a prop firm that years ago were the biggest prop firm in the game next to FTMO. This was like the ACG. This MFF was like the ACG of like fucking 2020. We was funny with these guys. We had max allocations of 600k, yeah, and they went bust because apparently it came out. They come out and said that they've essentially been spreading people out of their trades, manually spreading out, which is fucking disgusting. So performance on accounts is very key as well. Don't forget that. Performance is so key. All night long. Just in case trying to do me wrong. Yeah. I'm on EU Longs TP 5-3. What do you think? EU Longs 5-3. Oh, right, bro. I thought you were talking about like gold TPs, bro. I was going to say. Yeah, nice, bro. I mean, for me, my target for today would be Friday highs. That is it. I was looking for these buys here. Didn't end up getting entered, but yeah, I'd say my main TP would be this Friday high because we can definitely start seeing that reversal pattern after we take that high, for the main reason of Tuesday being the high of the week, which is the exact same thing that happened to last week, and we don't really have a different consensus on price for this week, to be honest. Not much different going on. FTMO spreads are disgusting. Yeah, they ain't good, mate. They ain't good, bro. If you trade FTMO, you know, man, they ain't that good. That's kind of why I like FTMO. That's why I like ACG more, to be honest with you. I came for the bottom down below. Lad Mass, how we doing, my boy? What's the best firm for spreads then? For me, ACG, bro. Honestly, I love ACG. I think they're quality. I'll be honest. I think they're ACG are very good. What's the best firm for... Oh, motherfucker. Yes, mate, lad. Jay, how we doing, my family? What's good, broski? Send you my entry. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry, I've completely forgot to look at that, Vish. That's the same as mine, isn't it? Yeah, I'm liking it, bro. Maybe a bit better than mine. Blue cheese. I know your entry's way better. Yeah, nice, bro. Fucking lovely. Here we go. 5 for an hour, then we're gonna move to the back seat. What time frame is this chart? 15. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. Yeah, I like it, bro. G. I blew the bag up. You in longs? GJ, we are. We're just aiming for that prior week high, going for a big old move. So we see how that moves. But EU is looking for the longs this morning. Lou got some really good longs this morning. Shout out to fucking Lou. He nabbed about 2.3% this morning on funded accounts. That's my fucking Brody. So now we're looking for either price to see what it does around this area. We've now taken that Friday high. At this level we could sell off or we could continue price on. Either or. We've just got to see what price does here. Let's be patient and see what we do. It's 1 o'clock. We've got 30 minutes till we see a load more volume jump into the market due to New York Stock Exchange open. And we see what price does there. Hopefully GJ continues that move up. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. Relax me. I apologise my stuff last week, bro. He wouldn't. Like, would you say strike? Mace, would you learn to cook if you had time? Bro, do you fucking know, bro? All I have is time and I cook all that, bro. You know what, go on my TikTok this morning. I actually cooked a lovely bit of breakfast this morning. It's a weird breakfast, but I was up since 5. But go on my TikTok, boys. This is what I made this morning. I cook all the time. What is my TikTok, boys? I actually don't even know what it is, bro. What the fuck actually is my TikTok, bro? This is it. I can't even see that, bro. Let me make this larger. Bro, you're fucking... Bro, you're gonna fucking see... That's it, MMFX04. Boys, go on that and look at a recent post on there. That's what I had this morning. That's what I have most mornings, man. I think steak's the best way to start your morning, man. I have like 2 meals a day now. I have like 2 meals a day now. In the morning, I'll just fucking eat at least 1 steak. And then I'll go on a day and then I'll eat dinner. That's like it. EU hit TP. Let's fucking go, bro. Looks like everything took Friday high as well, which is lovely. Waiting on Dix White to drop low into the daily fair value gap. That's what I would like to say. Pretty much there now, bro. EU is now coming into that daily as well. So it looks like daily. Yeah, lovely stuff. The way you grab that steak. Come on, bro. Grab that motherfucker with both grip. No, you know what it was, bro? I was wanting to do a video, yeah? And then, bro, I realised I just couldn't show you the fucking... I sent it to the loyals. Right? We have a loyals chat. So all the most longest standing Richesse members we have in a group chat on WhatsApp. So I sent it in there. And bro, because I cooked 2 steaks this morning. So I thought, fuck it, we'll have 2. You just couldn't see the sweet potato. So I thought, mate, fuck it. I can't be able to pick it off and show you, man. So I thought, fuck it, I'll just lob the whole thing off and then you have a little look at it. I'm letting EU run. Where are you running EU to, brother? Viking, it's ADHD, I think that's what it is. Okay, using the date I wanted. Yeah, we see it. New York EU sales. We'll see if that comes. Mate, late, do you check? Bro, do you call me anything but Mace? Late, do Chase buy in Euro or GBP? Wait, what was your question, sorry, bro? Do Chase buy in Euro or GBP? What do you mean, sorry, bro? Yeah, we'll see if we can get those shorts. We can't be having a few likes on videos, mate. Everyone hit in it, boys. What the fuck you man playing at? In fact, everyone in this stream right now, go like the recent video I just posted on TikTok, man. Show some fucking love. And you man on YouTube, there's about 70 man here on YouTube. How many likes do I have on this video? Like 10? 40 likes, boys. Go fucking like that shit. What the hell are you man playing at? Look how beautiful that cake. Okay. Never mind. Cake or steak, bro. I've been watching too many of them videos, bro. W Lil Baby, for real. Only old Lil Baby though, man. Cake or steak, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I actually watch them videos often, I'm not even gonna lie. But let's see what this reaction we have around this Friday high, boys. We have swept it now, so we want to see if we get the reaction back down. Or if we just continue price up. We can definitely continue price up. GJ's running nicely, lads. Let's see if we can continue that motherfucker on. I've got this TP to the fucking heavens. Jesus Christ. But we are looking for price to continue. This is a bit more of an open TP, I'll be real. Let's lower this TP. Right in the forest. At least I said I'm sorry. Nord, how we doing, my boy? What's good, brother? My English is not too good. Sorry, man. I want to ask, is it late position in Euro GBP? For the buyers, I would say so, bro. I would say today's defo... I feel like they could definitely be... I mean, honestly, boys, I think EG position... Is that what you're asking? Sorry, bro. Like, Euro GBP? Honestly, I would say, Euro GBP has been awful recently. It's just been not entering into positions. If this is what you're looking to trade, bro, I'd skip off. GU and EU have been having much better positions. Unless that's what you're asking for, GU and EU. Yeah, thank you. But we're going to see if we can have this reversal. We've seen GU come a little bit deeper. I think this is the 4 hour for GU, actually. Yeah, it is. Couple pussy. Told. Yeah, man. No more. What's the bias? EJGJ buys, boys. We're still weak on the yen. Still very weak on the yen. We should really see oil continue as well. It's more like the better chance catching shorts. The more the like, the better. The more the... Facts. Boys, like the fuck out of that video. If you don't, man, I'll find out who ain't. Trust me, I'll find out who ain't. I know everyone's name in it. I'll find out. You think boxing affects your mind because you get hit in the head a lot? Definitely, bro. Definitely. I mean, too many times. Like, bro, if you box every day and get hit in the head every day, yeah. But, like, if you moderately box, then nah. Like, if you get hit... Because, let's be honest, you're wearing 16-ounce gloves when you're sparring. So, you should be wearing a head guard. If you wear a head guard and get hit with 16-ounce gloves, you should be sweet. But it's when people fight in like 12-ounce gloves with no headgear. That's when you fuck up your head. But that should only be a fighting weight. Oh, bro, yes, I've got to put that on, Lou. I've not actually played that since you said, innit? I've not actually... Cracker got an AR. Wait, no, that's a short. Oh, here we go. Yo. Stay away from gold, boys. Trust me, stay away from gold. 4x is where it's at for the time being. Now come Euros is strong today. It's more than $1 week, bro. But we're still seeing that retracement. It's more that retracement, bro. The exact same we had last week. This buy up is perfect. So now we want to see if price is going to reverse back down. That's why I only box women and children. Have you been seeing that woman who's actually been just caning man though? There's actually this American boxer. She's a bird, right? She's been absolutely smacking dudes up in sparring. It's crazy. Been calling out like big fighters like Rolly and that. It's mad. Mate, I wouldn't want to fight her. Fuck that. You heard Rolly sparring, yeah. That was a bar I liked. She said she liked vanilla, come and lick it off. That's a bar. 49 first round knockout. Mates want to know in the ring for 49-0 in his relationships. Oh, call me Money Mayweather, bro. Call me Money Mayweather when I'm against women. Okay, I hope that doesn't get me fucking banned or anything. Cracker got an AR. Bro, that's so going on. Bro, what about gold? If you ask me about gold again, I'll shove a full gold bullion up your butthole, bro. Stop trading gold, boys! Fuck! Money Mayweather. Bro, I swear I'll put a whole troy ounce in your butt, bro. Stop trading gold! Fuck! Yeah, exactly, Jay. So we're going to wait for EU to have this reaction and we're waiting for GJ to get himself up. That's where we're at the moment, lads. Stops here, just on this low. Just on his previous low, made from London. Well, not London low, but the one just made just at the end of London. You said I follow, bro. I'm after that troy ounce. Have you got anything right now? GJ, bro. GJ, brother. And we're waiting for that EU reversal as well. Waiting for the EU reversal. That's the main trade. That's if we get this reversal. We're going to have to see our price reaction this level, though, of course. And GU. GU's in the 4 hour and the daily. Oh, no, in the 4 hour. Yeah, you already know EU sales incoming. Come on, brother. Let's wait for this motherfucker. You think it sells its own GU? Yeah, bro. It's mainly EU. GU kind of weak as well. Where would you sell from? It depends, bro. It depends if we actually have the reaction back down. Every time you come from my FYP, we've got the same idea. Great minds think alike, Brody. I like your thoughts, bro. I like your thinking, brother. This beat is actually so hard, bro. Way too... What's this one? 1900 rugged. Where would you sell to? Yeah, bro, I don't know yet, bro. If we do get to sell, externals. So Friday low, Friday low. It's a big Rugrat done on my vibe tune as well. Was that this one? 19. Is this another freestyle we did? Yo, that's hard. That's hard. Why aren't you fasting? Sound a fucking Muslim, bro. That's like it's a really easy answer to that one, bro. Really easy answer to that. I'm not a Muslim. Ooh, ooey. Belly Gang, who the hell is that guy? Some fat ginger dude. Are you Muslim? Do I look Muslim to you guys? I ate so good this morning. Bro, I could have fed every Muslim in the Middle East with what I ate this morning. What areas you target for GJ? Mainly just this DTR really, bro. I wonder if this man bashes. I don't bash, bro. Just because I'm Muslim doesn't mean I sin, brother. There is other religions in this world, you know that, right? Especially we're from the fucking UK, this isn't a Muslim country, you gotta remember that, boys. Assuming I'm a Muslim is crazy. So are you Jewish? Yo, bro, I'm from the UK, what the fuck do you think I am, man? The hell do you think I am, brother? This is a Catholic country. Christian or Catholic country. Mainly Christian, really. But assuming someone from this country is Muslim is borderline sort of silly. I would assume most of you man in this country will be Christian. Where's the jacket from? I would stand up, you just sit in pure booty. Time we ain't on nobody. Trick 5, I'm rolling, nigga, my lungs right. Ain't no love like all these bitches wanna. So if you go to Brum, you'd think they're Christian. Mate, you'd never see me go Brum. No one goes Brum. No one goes to Brum, brother. I can assure you that. No one goes Brum. Do I sound like I'm from Brum as well? You've got clips about your boyfriend sees you in the evenings, bro. You just saw me from the behind. That's crazy, man. Check UJ. See ya. Shows how weak that dollar is. We've got a weak dollar, weak yen. Are you still having that reversal yet? Still got to wait for it. We've got 13 minutes or 12 and a half minutes. We love the Lord Jesus, amen. You know it, brother. Praise the Lord, brother. Praise the Lord. Almost seems like you got offended that I'm not a Muslim as well, which is weird. I'm rolling to get my lungs right. Ain't no love life, all these bitches wanna fuck right. equation is true. Trust me, Brody. You know the movement. Praise the Lord, lads. Hot Boy. Such a weird name, innit? Oh, what are you going to call you on? Oh, what's your rap name? Hot Boy. Now, no way none of his brethren went, mate, you can't call yourself Hot Boy. First of all, you fucking ugly as shit. What is that trim as well? You know, we're gonna go with the vibes. We're gonna go with the vibe. Right, shout out Jalen or Jada, probably the only bitch I'll let fart on me. Payout denied. Why was your payout denied, bro? With what prop firm? I bare wish I could sing this song, bro. Bare wish I could sing this song. Yeah, Caveman, what prop firm is that with, bro? You got the denied payout from who? So I'll give it GJ's DTO, bro. We're not aiming for too much, just DTO level. I mean, we want to see if EU and GU has that reversal of this level as well. DXY is now in that daily. I can definitely see it pushing a little bit lower though. 3k payout denied, first payout as well. ACG, I'm on a risk management group, 1% risk max. Max loss is 500, slippage went to 510. Wait, Cave, message me, bro. I'll try pattern it for you. I'll do everything I can in my power. I'm not promising anything, but if you get a denied payout of ACG, I might be able to help you out. I might be able to help you out. I mean, again, it feels like blatantly against rules, then might be a bit hard for me, but I'll try my best, bro. Just drop me a message, Cave, and I'll try help you out, broski. $3,000 payout, yeah, you want that as well. Which prop firm, yeah, ACG? EU shaping up nicely. Trust me, brother. Let's let EU show its true colours. I'd love to be able to play the trumpet as well. How certain would that be? Is this the trumpet? Or... fucking big and gold, so I'm assuming it's the trumpet. We've got to play at least one Madonna song a day. That's how it works in these streams. At least one Madonna song. And there's fucking loads to choose from, boys. Holy shit. So today it's going to be La Isla Bonita. Absolute banger. There's Callum. What we saying, my broski? You know the love, Cave. Just come drop me a message, man. Oh, you got my Discord? You do it. You're in the Discord, aren't you? I can't talk We got nothing else for today, right? I don't think we got anything else for today. Where the fuck is it? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. St. Patrick's Day, bro. I forgot it's St. Patrick's Day today. Come on. Balance of trade at like 11 PM, so that don't really matter for us. That don't really matter for us. Is GU having a reversal considering GJ's not really moving? Again, I still want to see GJ to this low. Oh, I feel a complete different song then. Yes, James, what we saying, bro? Yeah, top man, bro. I'll see what I can do for you, Billy. Let's see if we can get this, brothers. See if we can get this shit, brothers. Minimum amount you can make in a day. What type of fucking question is that, bro? The minimum you can make in a day? Well, what the fuck even is that? Yo, what the fuck even is that question? I guess 0 is the minimum you can make in a day. In fact, the minimum is like minus, really. The minimum amount you can make in a day. Minimum amount me personally, 0. I have days where I make 0. I have weeks I make 0. Zero, brother. The minimum you can make is minus 1%. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I definitely would give Madonna a go if she asked. Just saying. If she like randomly come across one of these streams one day and like was in here, I and like asked me, do you want a G? I would say yeah. 100%. Fact. That's our TP for the day. Madonna. There's no way this bitch is like 70 and looks like she looks. Well, she I don't know. She kind of like looks it. Yo, she got grills in this photo, bro. What the fuck? I bet no one in this stream knows. Like, someone's going to come in this stream and be like, who the fuck is that? Honestly, if you don't know who that is, you don't know Sauce. But yeah, minus 1%. Depends how many sessions you trade, but minus 1% realistically, bro. You can lose money. Remember that. Trading, you can lose money. What's my girlfriend doing in the TP? So sorry, bro. That's my girl, actually, pal. Yeah. That's my girl, bro. Why is this everyone's girl? Yo, why is this everyone's bitch? The fuck? I thought this was my hoe. Mate, it's called the market maker, bro. Do you want me to call him? Well, what do you want, Vish? Is it GJ you want me to call about? I can call about GJ if you need. Just let me know. I mean, I'm in the same, so I kind of want the same to happen. That's our girl now, trust. This is the Richesse girl. Sorry, Jay, but she's been passed around the Richesse group by the sounds of it. We've not actually had anything else really come out. Oh, good story in my porridge. I put some of those 2118. That's the same as me, bro. That's the same as me. I like that stop. I like that stop. This is actually such a banger. That little bit is so hard. Let me replay this because this actually is a banger. This is Ghetto by Akon. This is actually such a fucking banger. The words are actually hard as well. Ghetto. Come on, GJ, you motherfucker. Same as I wanted last week, GJ to weekly CLT. Say no more, bro. Give me 2 secs, Vish. Weekly CRT, you say? What's happening, mate? Yeah, all good, mate. Yeah, all good. Yeah. So, the same as yesterday, really, bro. We still need GJ to weekly CRT. So in terms of price, around 214.451 on GJ. Okay. Yep. Alright, that kind of works. That works. You're gonna start moving price now as well. Okay, cool. Alright. So more round 2. Okay, yeah, sweet. Alright, yeah, cool. Perfect, bro. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, speak to you tomorrow, man. Sweet, bro. Yeah, Vish, you said he's going to move price up around 2 o'clock, so hold your horses. Are you not reversing just yet? We'll wait for price to have our reaction. We're taking Friday high, so I prefer 15-minute trade from here, lads. So we're about to close this 15-minute in, so about 30 seconds time. Actually, what did you send me, Long? Oh. Bro, that looks fucking bang. Makes sense, I think, Lord. I think it makes sense. Nice one, Geese. You're good. Forgot to put your little hat on, Mace. My little hat on. Bro, what little hat the fuck you on about, bro? What hat? What little hat you on about? What hat you on about, bro? Forgot to put your little hat on, Mace. Whoa. Whoa, what the fuck? Bro, I feel like whenever you listen to this song, you actually have to drop the soldier now. You just have to drop the shoulder. Doesn't make sense. The market maker hat. I just look Jewish now. That guy asked if I was Jewish, and I actually seem Jewish now. This is the market maker hat. If you're Jewish, you probably do move the market. So I'm going to keep this on my head. Hopefully we can move the market. Why it's not the white cone? Fucking hell. Wait, you boys can't even... Shalom. I keep losing me out. I need a little clip. They always wear little clips on it, don't they? Boys, the best way to manipulate the market is honestly just put on a little hat. And you got it, brothers. You want to be on the side of the market, boys. Who has the most money in this world? To be fair, the Saudis low-key do, and they're not Jewish. Shoulder on ultra attack. fucking proper drop that shoulder. You got to drop it down to the toes and all. Fucking, I lost my hat as well. You want to drop that shoulder right down to the toes, boys. Are you coming down? Let's see if we get this drop down. We need this drop down, lads. Need the 15-minute trade through on this motherfucker. We've had that closure now, which is lovely. GU gonna need the same thing. So the Friday I now need the 15. Everyone else entering EU shorts. Hold your horses, boys. We've not seen that the market is selling yet. You gotta be careful. Bro, I thought he was gonna let you long today. Fuck me. Yeah! Your love to me, yeah. Why does my comment keep getting deleted? What the fuck are you saying for it to get deleted? We're on fucking YouTube. Bro, this hat does not stay on my head, bro. That was comedic. None of you man saw that, but that was pretty comedic. Mates, what's your thoughts on EJ and GJ in two positions along up to the primary guy? I'd always say, boys, don't jump in two positions. Just like EU and GU, you don't want to jump in both, right? You're from Dagenham. Fuck no, I'm not from Dagenham. Where the fuck is Dagenham? Where the fuck is Dagenham, actually? I'm not even too sure what it is. I don't think that's too far, though. Dagenham, where is Dagenham? East London. Barking. Oh, yeah, it's not massively too far. Not really, no, yeah, not too far. I'm not from Dagenham, no. Dagenham's a shithole, but yeah, not massively too far. Or Chigwell. No, not Chigwell. Again, only like half an hour away from like Chigwell. Half the borough, half the interest. Are you on the Elizabeth line? Fucking hell, lads. Am I on the Elizabeth line? No. I'm not on the Elizabeth line. I'm not from there, it's a shithole. To be fair, I mean, my area's not, like, amazing. Why is it a shithole? What do you mean, why is it a shithole? What, Dagenham and Barking? Go there and just find out, innit? Oh, my YouTube's acting up for 3 for... Oh, right, you're sweet. Bro, type up Dagenham. Let's actually just type up Dagenham. Dagenham, look at photos. As it is shithole. Right, ready? Okay, it actually doesn't massively look like a shithole in comparison to some places. In fact, it's just coming up with a fucking football team, to be honest. But those places ain't nice, mate. Nowhere in East London's particularly fucking nice, innit? I invite you to Newham. Nah, you're alright, mate. Fuck that. Fuck no, brother! What are you doing if like Iran nukes Canary? Mate, I'll do my nut. I'll literally go to Iran and I swear down I'll go on a massacre, bro. Canary's the art of Richesse. If you know Richesse, you know Canary's the art of us. It's not possible to catch these longs this week, Lo. It kind of is, bro. It is. I mean, I was quite unlucky with the EU buys this morning, but Lou, who goes live in the morning, he cashed about 2.5% today. Do you like the buy? Nah, mate. I mean, I've never been there, bro, so I can't say I don't like it, but I wouldn't really go there. Ain't my scene, brother. Ain't really my scene. The dollar's so weak. It's not even the pound strength. It's just dollar's so weak. Can you full port my account? Why don't you full port me, bro? Do it for the stream. Alright, Jan. Alright, yeah, cool. Should we full port your account? Jan, drop me a message, bro. We'll log in and we'll full port the shit out of it. $188. Can't even get a bag in Dubai, trust me. Do you know what I mean? So you prefer milking cows in islands. Mate, I didn't... You asked me if I like Dubai. I didn't say I like this country. I would prefer to milk cows in Ireland than go to Dubai. Yeah, personally, I would. What's better, Thailand or Bali? I've never been Bali, bro. But Thailand's good, man. Loads of terraces, loads of fucking weed. If you're a degenerate, it's a lovely place. If you're in your degenerate phase, Thailand's sick. Bare terraces, bare fucking ladyboys, bare fucking canny, gangs. Mate, name it, they've got it in Thailand, bro. You get a massage for cheap and you can get a fucking bottle of water in this country. Bali fully, yeah, but I feel like Bali's a bit more woke-ish, innit? It's a bit more... I feel like Thailand's a bit more based. Thailand's like a based version of Bali. Again, I've never been, so I can't massively say, but I'd say that is sort of the case. Come on, GJ. The pound's just not got any strength. We see GU coming up, but it's all from dollar weakness. It's all from dollar weakness. We're not seeing it come up because of the pound. State of GJ is awful. My favourite country is Japan. Japan looks like a sick country. I would like to go to Japan, man. Bear would like to go there. I wouldn't go there for long. I don't know if you can go there long, though. Why are you not there? Jay, we've been there for too long, man. If we stay in Thailand for too long, I end up getting a fucking Thai girlfriend and a wife. Before I know it, I'll fucking shit out. I mean, I don't know how pregnancy works. I don't know if I give birth or the woman gives birth, but it's my first rodeo, so I ain't trying to shit out a little boy or a little girl, do you know what I mean? Alright, who remembers this banger? Banger's a stretch, but who remembers this tune? Come on, GJ, have the move up. What an absolute tune, bro. I want to go Nepal, low-key. Where the fuck is Nepal? Nepal? Oh yeah, Nepal looks dirty. And they got like a volcano there as well. Yeah, Nepal looks so sick. Ain't that South America though? Where is it? Democratic Republic of Nepal. I don't know, what was it? Oh, South Asia. I got that so wrong. Fucking hell. This song's sick. Mount Everest is there. Is that where the Mount Everest is? I thought Mount Everest was in France, bro. Where is Mount Everest? Okay, I think I'm thinking of the Alps. Okay, I'm not great with geography. Fuck's sake. Mount Everest. Why did I thought Mount Everest was in like fucking... No, it is in South Asia. What the fuck? Have you ever been interested in becoming a geography teacher? Low key, bro. Low key. Low key. It's above India. What the fuck? I never knew that. Well, Everest ain't in the Alps, bro. I bet thought that was the fact. I thought it was near Hackney Marsh. Or Hackney Wick. Or Hackney Baldock, if you've ever been there. Some people have never seen it. Mate, it's Mount Everest in France. Well, I don't know. Mount Everest. What's a big fucking mountain in Europe? Big mountain in Europe. Come on, GJ. Play ball with us, you cheeky fuck. Caucasus Mountain. Home of the Caucasus. That's where all the white guys are from, I'm assuming. Mont Blanc. Mont Blanc? Mate, that's a fucking company. That's not mountain. I don't want to hear shit about Mont Blanc, bro. What are you on about? Mont Blanc. Is that actually a mountain? Oh, it actually is. What the fuck? Is it? No, it is. Yeah, what the fuck? Bro, you learn a lot of shit every day in the French Alps. No, in the middle of India and Nepal. Then no, I don't want to go to Everest then if it's near India. No offence or anything, but like, I just wouldn't really go to a place like India. I would, I said it before, I would, but I'd have to go with someone who knows India, otherwise it's just... Mate, my bowel movement would be insane. I'd either have zero bowel movement or just bowel movement throughout the day. Bro, live in a zero tax income country and travel 9 months out of the year. Yeah, but what I like zero tax countries, bro, like fucking... Like Dubai, I don't want to live there for 3 months of my life. Fuck that, every year. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'd rather pay tax, I'll be so honest. India is mucky, innit? Come back with Ronnie. Mucky. I didn't say that, you said it, brother. EG. It's difficult right now because the euro's not strong and neither's the pound. Wait, how did Zoo come out actually? Let's double check. See, it came out awful for the euro. So the euro's actually really weak. What should I start trading on? What do you mean trading on? Sorry, bro. Sorry, what do you mean by that? Trading on? Well, as in like pair, currency, what market? Like Forex, stocks. Honestly, if that's what you're asking, doesn't matter. Any market, bro. Just make sure you understand the market thoroughly. Website, I don't know, I'm brand new. Oh, if you want to actually learn trading. Bro, I'll be honest, right? Go to our YouTube is so good. Our YouTube is very good. I'll show you our YouTube channel. Our YouTube's got so many videos on trading. A lot of it is for beginners as well. And right now I'm streaming on there. You want to see some more brains. How long does it take to verify KYC? It shouldn't take no longer than a day, bro. We've got bare videos, boys. We've got so many videos. We've actually got, for beginners, I advise this, if I can find it, this Ground Zero series. This ground zero is for just pure beginners. Pure beginners. And we've got loads of case studies. We've got videos on volume. We've actually got a few videos that have done really well. This was a very good video that Lou done. This one here. How to use volume with ICT. This is an insane volumes one. Bro, my phone's never got charged. Yo, that's actually a fact. Bro, why does my phone's actually never have charged? Do you and Lou live together? Nah, we don't, bro. We don't, brother. My youngest son is still there playing no games. Sure, me and Lou will live together at some point. Not gonna lie, we don't really like. Okay, that was about to say that was about to sound gay as hell. I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't see myself moving in with a woman anytime soon. I find them fucking unbearable, to be quite honest. And to be fair, I couldn't live in a gaff on my ones, bro. No matter how much money I make, I still feel far too lonely in my own crib. Have you heard about Trader Fight or lucid trading? Lucid trading. The fuck is lucid trading? Sounds like a cult. The fuck? Is it a prop firm? It's a prop firm. No, I've not heard of these, man, bro. And who? I just realised I've still got this thing on my top of my head, bro. Jay, what's happening, my broski? Bare lonely, bro. Bare lonely, man. Yeah, man, bro. Yeah, man. Bare lonely. I'll be honest, man. I find it hard to. I find it hard to move out. That's why me and Lou just normally put money into equities. Because, mate, I mean, me personally, bro, I couldn't live alone. I just couldn't live alone. Bro, I'll go back to bunning Zoot again. I've just stopped smoking. Mate, if I was on my own, I swear down, I'll start bunning again. I'll start drinking, I'll start fucking... Yeah, man. I feel like you have to be around people, especially as men. Especially if you've got ADHD, you just have to be around people. Otherwise, you just start again, you go into bad habits. You send your account details, let's log in. Bonzu to pass, exactly, bro. It's not the way to go, man. I advise anyone, if you do smoke weed, honestly, stop that shit. I shouldn't say that. It's broccoli. Sorry, it's broccoli. It is broccoli. But off damn so soon, fuck my life. Why though? Why what though, bro? Why what? 2 years sober, Denson, love that, bro. Keep that shit up, broski. Keep that shit up. DTO, ladies and gents. The best concept next to fucking ALG. ALG DTO. What made you smoke so much, bro? Trust me, when you go full-time trading, boys, all you do is, if you're, especially we were young, right? Me and Lou were really young when we started trading, right? And we was young when we started to bun. So when we started getting free time, we started trading full time. Any other time that we had in our day, we would bun Zoot. I mean, me especially, bro. I'd bun 5, 6 Zoot a day. Unhealthy as shit. And bro, you boys probably noticed, like, I stutter quite a lot. I used to stutter bears, like every single stream. You can go back on my streams about a month ago, 2 months ago. I stuttered every single sentence. And I would forget what I said every other sentence. It's awful, bro. It's fucking horrible. So sometimes you just gotta fucking get off of that shit. Weed is fuck! Broccoli is horrible for you lads. And you don't see it because it is such a it's a silent assassin, boys, we like to call it. Imagine having to rely on a substance to reduce stress. When did you quit? 6 days ago, bro. I haven't bun Zoo for 6 days. And yes, I'm still getting terrifying dreams. And yes, I still can't fucking sleep at night. But I don't give a fuck. Honestly, I feel so much better in the days. You got a girl, mate, so I got 15, bro. Bro, I'm listening. I'm sat here on. I'm sat here 1:45 on a Tuesday, listening to 6ix9ine. Do you think I've got a female? I'm going down on Saturday. Nice, boys. Your girl's 15. Okay, bro. This no! 15, bro. Wait, yo, why does everyone say... Did I say it wrong? Yo, did I say that? I'm 23, my broski. 23 years of age. Probably thinking, wow, mate, he's 23, you look so good for your age. Oh my God, you look so handsome. Oh my God, you're so cool for your age. You're so... You'll be right. Man said 15, bruv. Wait, what did you ask me? What about vapes? I'll stop vapes for like 2 weeks. I haven't bun the vape in 2 weeks. That was a little too loud. I know he's lying. You think you would have made more money or more success if you never smoked? 1,000,000%, bro. 100%. I would have made fucking... Mate, me and Lou have always been driven to actually make money and actually fucking... I mean, mainly trading. Once we got to the age where we was like 17 and we was like 17, 18, was like, right, trading is what we got to fucking do. It's more like when we was like 17, it was like, bro, right, we left school now. What do we want to do? Because let's be honest, Lou said, obviously he was doing quantity surveying, which was a good job, but he fucking hated it. He hated it. Like, it was a good job, and it's a really good job. If you go up high, or if you got your own firm, you're earning a lot of money, $250,000 a year when you get up. I was in college. I was doing I can't remember what I was doing. T-level construction or some shit. Oh, bro, T-level construction. What the fuck am I playing at? So yeah, man, switched up, and yeah, ever since then we've just been dialed in on trading since we was probably about 17 years of age. Come on, brother. When you see that price move to the downside, when market moves like this in GJ, does it not make you want to get out? It does, bro, but at the end of the day, scared money don't make money. I'd rather lose 1% than lose my manlyhood. Trust me, bro, this is on a challenge, boys. Obviously, I don't trade London, I don't trade New York, so any trades I have on it are always placed on challenges. And to be honest, I'm not scared to lose trades on a challenge by any means. At this stage, not by any means. I reckon the shorts will come in fully tomorrow. I agree, Sam. I mean, that's what happened on Tuesday, right? What happened on Tuesday last week is it's 4 AM. Fuck you, mate, you idiot. 4 PM was when we made the high of the week on Tuesday. Right, let's go back to last week. Just look at my wrist. Very similar to last week, broski. So this was last week, that isn't last week. Where's last week, bro? Here we go, this is last week. So this is Tuesday. What you're seeing right here is Tuesday. This is Tuesday Asia session, London session, New York. At the end of New York, well, high volume New York, around 5 PM, we made the high. And then we continue down for the rest of the week. And that's what I'm expecting for this week as well, boys. So if you haven't got a trade already this week, don't you dare worry. Don't force yourself into these sells, boys, because they're coming. Trust me. If we get this 15-minute trade through, you might see price start falling down. Have you two learned this strat you created, or didn't you have a mentor yourself? We had a mentor ourselves, but they didn't teach us ALG. I'd rather be judged by 12 than killed by 6. Just look at my wrist, but legends always gotta die quick. What's good with you? We were busting out them bandos. But I do agree with you there, Sam. Nice reaction in the EU. We've had a nice reaction. The reaction we really want, though, boys, is to trade through this 15-minute at the bare minimum. If we don't have it, we don't sell. DXY is respecting the 4-hour fair value gap. Could you see EU drip, drop. Oh my days, you know what? That's thrown me right back. You know, we're going in on it. Oh, bro, who remembers this tune, bro? Wait, guess what tune I'm putting on? If anyone can guess the tune I'm putting on, what can I give you? I don't know what to give. I actually don't know what to give. I'm just gonna play the song. Wait, let me log into this account. Let me log into this account. Is it MT5? Oh yeah, I've still got. Right, boys, we're logging into one of the boys. Someone on the TikTok or on the YouTube live. His account is in drawdown. Heavy drawdown. And we're going to full port the fuck out of this motherfucker. So who's going to be here? What trade should we get in on? Is it MT4? Is it MT5? 0.2% left. We got to get that shit back. We getting that trade through? It's not coming up for me, bro. Dropped up. No cooking up. Want a full port by 25k. Boys, anyone who's got a fucking account that wants me to full port, let's fucking full port the hell out of them, bro. You know, I won't even full port. We'll just go for a double risk trade. We can still TP we can still hit TP on it. Because we'll probably be looking at EU sales and maybe some continuations on GJ as well. Bitch, bad and gay.
Yes, sir. LA Leaker.
Yes, sir. GJ Long, send it. GJ Long, let's send this motherfucker.
It's gonna be a little different today. No. I'm looking to my left. The gang is here, baby. LA The bag is right there. Go get it.
The bag is right there at 250.
100,500 the midget. I was racking my gun in the kitchen. On the low, we fucking your bitch. Wipe his nose, but no, not a tissue.
Boys, we want GJ to move. Let's put on the little Jewish hats. Fucking the bitch in the back of the Maybach. I told her to put the seat up. What about gold? Boys, get the fuck away from gold, man. We shouldn't be trading gold. Again, I'm going to start putting billions of gold in people's butts if they keep trading this shit. How many accounts do you think is enough to live off trading? I know it's about capital, but I think rotating accounts are important too. I agree with you, bro. Always have 200Ks, boys. 200K accounts is what you want, I'll be honest. Gold is a no-go. Gold is an absolute no-go. What pair? This is GJ, bro. Just says at the bottom there. It's a GJ Long. But I'd say minimum like 4 or 5 accounts, bro. Like, to a point where you're actually making a decent amount of money. A very decent amount of money. Comfortable amount of money. UJ ideas. I'll say stay away from UJ. Because the dollar and the yen are weak, so you don't want to trade both of those yet. UJ might be better a bit later on in the week, especially because we've had retracements. So I'd possibly be looking at some buys, looking into tomorrow next week. Not to next week, sorry, tomorrow. I'll put it on live. Wendy, I appreciate I'll follow. Boys, if you don't follow yet, follow the fucking TikTok, man. Holy shit. Yeah, 4 to 5 200Ks, boys. You're going to be $1 million funding. You make 2% a month. That's 240 bags a year. Minus profit split. Let's say 200 bags a year. Dollars. That's a decent amount of money. And that's only 2%. More time you men are going to be making 3-4%. You make 4%, 4 times 12 is 28. No, 480. You're making £500,000 a fucking year, boys. 200k accounts is what you need. Minimum 4-5 accounts and you will be there. And don't worry, lads, it can take you 5 years to do that. If you want to make it £500,000 a year, 500 large before profit splits, dollars, which probably equates to maybe about 300 grand, for 250 to 300 grand. Maybe, to actually work out, maybe $250,000. You're laughing, brother. So like 400 to 500k. Yo, your math is dreadful, Jan. Holy motherfucking shit. I said 4, 5, 200ks. So 800k to $1 million funded. 2% a month. What firm is going to pay that consistently? Every prop firm, bro. Every prop firm will pay you 2% a month. I promise you that. What the hell is GJ? GJ to be taking a motherfucking piss on his bitches. Where is it? Back at break even? I bet not. Yes, Montana. That's what I'm looking at, bro. GJ taking the... Yeah, I like that. It's a good idea, Tolu. I like that. Repeat. GU, yeah, we still haven't had the reaction down, so we still need to see this 15-minute trade through in order to assume price is going to start having that maneuver down. Same with EU, bro. We need to trade through his 15-minute. We need a 15-minute closure below. How much did you make of fundeds last year? Bro, we're not talking about how much was earned. But put it this way, we're 800 grand funded and we average around 3% a month. But obviously you got to realise that we pay corporation tax on that. We not only pay corporation tax, you get a profit split. So you do get a chunk taken away from you. How many days you been sober? 6 days, boys. I'm 6 days sober, man. I'm feeling golden. I feel like I can go fuck a fat bitch. What do you think of GU to daily fair value gap? I'm loving the motherfucker. I'm loving that, bro. We're pretty much at it now. It's a little bit higher though, right? It depends if we have the reaction of price now. How do you sort taxes on payouts? Well, boys, we've got an accountant. I don't fuck with no taxes and shit, boys. My accountant does all that fucking shit. I'm not working all that bullshit out. Yeah, we got an accountant that does it. Bro's got a Jew cap on. Bro, if you wanna trade these markets profitably, you need a Jew hat on. I might even just get a Jew hat. I swear down, I actually might get a Jew hat just to actually pop in the financial markets. Bro, GJ be taking the piss, man. Stay away from the weed, bro. It's taxing, bro. To be honest, 100%, bro. 100%. Candy's not the way, boys. If you smoke broccoli, I promise you now, I've been smoking for 5 years. 5 years, long and hard of bunning loud. I've been in countries where loud has been legal and I've smoked my fucking lungs out. Spain, Thailand, Jamaica. And I would say, boys, I got to a point where I was bunning 5 times, 6 times a day. Get off the candy, man. Best thing you'll ever do, I promise you that. That's coming from someone who loves broccoli. I love it. I still got candy packs downstairs that I've not even opened. I've had a smart whip addiction at one point. See, they're way worse, bro. I've got a family friend who got paralysed on them. They're fucking horrible things. Honestly, I never got those like loans and that, man. I never really got all that. Do you have a good accountant, knowledgeable on prop firms? Accountant doesn't need to be knowledgeable on prop firms, bro. A good accountant's a good accountant. This pure okay. My accountant didn't know what prop firms were before me and Lou, but now he does. Isn't whips just cutting your oxygen? It's exactly what it's doing, bro. It's like one of the worst things you can do. You might as well do fucking heroin. Man, it's horrible advice. Just don't do any drugs, boys. Don't do drugs. It ain't worth it. Get high on making fucking money and fucking hoes. Okay, again, it's not great advice. Get high on getting money, boys. That's how we get high now. How many accounts do you have? Can you please tell me how to start a career in trading? Which prop, 10k, 25k, how to pass challenges, etc. Me and Lou, we're currently 800k, but we've got about 400k worth of challenges currently now in phase 2. Quite close to passing, so. Can I enter now? I wouldn't enter. What are you trying to enter, Yaya? Come on here, you get that trade fee. If you get it, I'm going to shoot. What time frame order block you going off on your USD? Daily, bro. Not order block. I'm going off the fair value. The exact same as what we had last week, lads. The exact same. It's 2 PM. GJ ain't moved yet. Just wait, bro. It's gonna move now. Should move now. Should start moving now. Heron over whips, May 2026. Yeah, but I instantly regretted that. That is horrible advice. Holy shit. Get high off nature. I mean, that sounds a bit queer, but yeah. Yeah, no, but honestly, boys, don't do drugs, man. It's not worth it. Your mum's gonna hate you. It's nothing worse than your mum hating you, trust me. Nothing worse than your mum hating you, bruv. Do you have 800 bands in funded each, or is it 12 between me and Lou at the moment, bro? I wish we had 1.6 million funded. I gotta get laid. Weed is nature, it's true. It's facts, really. Bro, what's your bias on AUD USD? Bullish AUD USD, bro. The dollar's still very, very weak, so I'd still long AUD USD. Come on, niggas. This is the banger as well. Go hug a tree, trust. If they invert, which one you prefer, shorts or GU? They're both quite weak, but the pound looks weaker at the moment. Just UG. EG's been moving up. Well, actually, no, it's just been staying in the same place. Both are valid, boys. Both are valid for shorts. What time frame? Yeah. Daily, bro. I'm focused on making it M in the mind. I'm in EU, but what you think? Yo, bro, what you think GU daily fair value? It could come to the daily, we'll see, bro. I mean, again, we've not seen price reverse yet. We've not seen price trade through, so we can't really say price is going to come down, you know. Where's your link, bro, for real, for the Discord? Boys, the Discord is on our Instagram. Yeah, I don't think it lets me put it on my fucking, I'll put it up here. I fuck with the True Religion hoodie. I appreciate it, my family. Sweet, brother. If you go in there, boys, you should be able to see our Discord just up the top. It pretty much acts as an invite. Shut up, dates. You know I don't play. I still coming late. Been in along on the daily fair value gap. To the daily fair value gap. Oh, what? Oh, was that GU? Sorry, T. Oh, nice, bro. Nice. I like that. You pay taxes on profits, yeah, bro. With prop firms, you have to pay tax. Load it back in, back on the roads. Water with tech, waters be loan. Bro, what was that? Oh, bro, who remembers? Bro, who remember? Oh, mate. Boy, someone has to remember this song. 6 days, no trade, fuck it. Bro, 6 days, no trade's absolutely fine, boys. Who remembers this tune? If you don't remember this tune, you're far too young to be trading. Take care, mate. It's going to go on a run. Lovely, Tolu. Have a good one, my boy. Close GG, I'm alive. Was happy with it. Nice, bro. As long as you took some profits, man, you're laughing. Again, boys, if you don't know this song, man, you're far too young to be trading. Did you register, limit and claim 12.5? Yeah, that's what we do. And we get dividend as well, bro. But we've got to pay corporation tax, of course. When I switch lanes. You ever been in your fashion bag? Nah, not really, but I'm not really into fashion and that, man. I'll be real, my sister helps me buy clothes because I don't know what to buy, bro. I'll be honest, I'm not really great with garms. My sister helps me buy clothes, bro. I'll be real. It might sound sad, but she does. Do you not have personal accounts to avoid taxes? We do, but again, a lot of our profit, pretty much all of our profits come from prop firms. We don't really trade our personals. We normally just keep money in it. And we'll put money in it, sort of invest money into it. And maybe we'll have like a short leverage sort of oil trade or some stuff like that. But not often. Is your accountant a Jew? Nah, he's not a Jew. Actually, I don't know, actually. I don't think so. I don't know. Actually, I don't know, bro. I actually don't know. I don't think he is. But yeah, Jews are probably the best accountants. GJ, you're taking the mic. How long does Pro Firms go out, you think? How long before Pro Firms go out, you think, bro? Probably never. Because the amount of people that lose money in trading, the amount of fucking idiots in trading that just lose money, Pro Firms will never go out of business. Too many stupid traders out there. Too many stupid traders. Come on, Jay, you know the move.
Party, my bitch like Macari. I walk in the spot, all the bitches go grab me. Spend 30 racks, I'ma make it back tomorrow. Pull up with a big titty bitch like the Caro. Ain't never seen a Rari, look like a safari. Tiger riding shotgun, snake band Cardi. Air, I'm in them Nike Airs. 2500 nigga call them nice rare. See them niggas hating, but I don't really care. No bottles coming, tell them bitches like flare.
When are you dumb? Not too sure yet, bro. The market's gonna dump when the markets wanna dump. We're gonna react to it. Always react to price. We're not guessing a fucking thing, boys. We're reacting to price. Price hasn't told us it's weak yet. If price hasn't told us it's weak, we ain't fucking getting in. Simple as. Simple as. Get down here, you. I would like it for it to get. I would love for it to get down now, but it goes down when it goes down. I'm in that vagina. I will never find it. But I was gonna 5 minute further to up on you. Yeah, it's that 50. Wait, what's that, Luke's? What, to the upside? I honestly reckon you can just keep long in this. I wouldn't say it's stupid to keep long in. It's not showing us bearish at all. Yo, bro, wrong way. Round in the V12 with the racks in the middle. What fund accounts do you recommend apart from ACG? FTMO, bro. The big dogs, the main doggies. These are the most long-lasted prop firm. FTMO, man. With the racks in the middle. Aquatic Life, how we doing, bro? Oh, GJ's just not moving. Let's just get the fuck rid of GJ. It's not moving. Gifts are suspended and live visibility restricted. What the fuck I do? The behaviour is not in line with our policy. Mate, if you want me to act wild, I can fucking act wild, bro. Gifting is suspended in this live. Oh, just gifts. I don't know, man, is it? It's, additionally, the live is restricted. Why? Bro, why? Mate, do you want me to start being fucking heavily, like... Heavily bad. Love your stuff, bro. VC, I appreciate it, my family. What do you think about Bitcoin right now? I think fucking don't even look at that shit. Bitcoin is like a transgender dude, man. Just don't look at it, man. Just fucking, if you leave it alone, it will just go about its own day and do its own thing. Worry about the sweet ones like EUGU. Ride around in the V12 with the race in the middle. How are you and Lou so close? It's a special friendship, bro. Me and Lou have been best mates since we was like fucking 2 years of age. Me and Brody been family. We pretty much family, me and Lou at this point. Me and him have lived together in fucking foreign countries, bro. Me and that guy are family, bro. XGJ, yeah. It looks like GJ just ain't gonna move. What broker do you use? But I mainly trade funded, but the one I would say, bro, is Vantage. They've got that 150% bonus as well, if you haven't seen that, which is fucking sick. So if you deposit, let's say you deposit like a bag, right? And boys, if you want to get this, let me know and I'll help you get it. But if you, with Vantage, right, you get 150% bonus, which is fucking nuts. You deposit a bag pounds, yeah? You deposit a bag pounds, you get 1.5 times back. Is that how the math works? I don't know. It's 150%, so you essentially get double plus 50%. So you should have like $2.5 grand after it. It's fucking certain. And then every deposit after that, you get 25% bonus. So say if I deposit another 100 quid later down the line, they'll deposit 125 for me. And they'll keep doing that. So advantage of better good in that sense of growing leverage. And I can show you how to do that, boys. Just message me, man. Set my position. Just have a look, LD. Would you close that GJ now? Yeah, bro, just close it. Price just isn't moving. It's fucking annoying. Do you and Lou take the same trades? Nah, bro. It's important that me and Lou don't take the same trades, to be fair. Because me and Lou, we share profits. Yeah, we like husband and wife. He's the wife though. But we share profits, boys. That was gay. Blame that on Lou. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean it like that. That was probably meant. I blame that on Lou. But again, it's just the thing is what me and Lou, and I say this every day and I say it again because I want you guys to really take trading seriously. Because if you guys take trading seriously, I swear to God, me and Lou will hire you as traders. Oh, bro. Now a whole team started from the bottom. Now we're here. Sorry, bro. So we want to build a hedge fund in the future. To build a hedge fund, you can't have traders trading the same. Everyone has to trade a little bit different and different markets. So that is the importance of diversifying your portfolio, really. Macy's bottom, I just can't prove it. Bro, how about if I bottom out your fucking mum, bro? Oh, bro. Goes. I've not actually closed it yet, though, I'll be real. Now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team.
Freaking hair. Oh my gosh.
Like, who remembers this, bro? This is quality.
Is this on sale?
Yes, top season is the regime bid. I can't tell you anything else. This is medicated lip ointment, but I want you to know with that being said, I still think you're straight gorgy. I'd love for you to accompany me to my crib so I can show you how I live.
No thanks.
And you can get based with me and like 18 of my best dogs.
Yo, your girlfriend's looking, man. She sounds super pregnant.
We should.
Just like my ex-girlfriend. She died last week. She didn't die, but he looks just like her.
Yo, that's how I'm gonna start moving to bitches, man. I think that's the way, man. You're taking the piss. You look exactly like my girlfriend. She died last week. Yeah, that's.
She didn't die, my ex-girlfriend.
We should.
I'm gonna be alright. Look just like my ex-girlfriend. She died last week. She didn't die, but he looked just like her. We can do like a double date or something. My treat. It's all on me. We're in another camera.
And it actually somehow worked. Brilliant.
Don't be shy now.
Thanks.
Or be shy.
Okay.
I look way different when I'm not in my work clothes.
Right.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Brilliant. Started from the bottom. Now there was a time when young money music ruled the game. Great times. Trust me, man. I trade purely London session, bro. For my main funded. Sometimes I have New York trades on my challenges if there's something there that's proper presented itself. Like maybe EU. But it's not presented itself yet because it's fucking taking ages. So we're still waiting a little bit on this one. Write that down, mate. Yeah, don't worry, I'm off the broccoli, so I'll remember it. You look like my girlfriend, she died last week. Fucking impeccable, really. Yeah.
single chain, even when I'm in the house. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stay the same, I never changed it. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stay the same through the money and the fame. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here.
And AG's taking a fucking piss, but for EU now, it sells if we do close out, but we've got to make sure, boys. We've got to make sure. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Yo, started from the bottom, now.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga.
Yeah, bro, exactly that. Exactly that. We'll have that high on that swing. We'll have the stop loss on that swingy.
Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here.
If you're a fake best trade, EU, bro. EU's my fucking child, bro. My pronouns is Euro USD, my boy. EU's my fucking one. TP, honestly, me, will be external lows, bro. This would be a nice big trade. It'd be like something like this. Might even have stop loss just on this high, just to secure on this swing high here, 22, and I'll be having for like externals. Nice 5R trade there. That would actually pass my phase 2 as well. This would pass my phase 2, so I'll get another 200k from this. If this comes through. Which I really want to see come through. Starting from the bottom now, my whole team's fucking here. Have you entered EU? Nah, not yet, boys. We haven't actually traded through this 15. It's a fucking banger. Not really. It's actually not really a banger, though, is it? Like, at all. Jungle Boots. She's going back on. Cracker got on AR. Back to shoot the school up. This trade will probably hold overnight then, probably. It might even be tomorrow, you know, you never know. Gomo, how we doing, my boy? How you doing, brother? It shows the Euro's weaker, so EU sells a little bit hotter. What about DXY though? We need to trade for a DXY as well, preferably. Yeah, 24. Yeah, I hear that, bro. Exact same as me, really. I mean, mine was EU buys this morning. I just couldn't get in them. It was bare annoying. But now we're looking for the sales at some point, which is fine. Again, with loads of opportunities, bro. All good, bro. In the gym, I want to take those EU sales. Nice, bro. What are you working on today? In the gym. Listen, Gobbo, if the EU sales show nicely, bro, I'll let you know. Trust me. You boys are goated. Chris, my fucking family, bro. Bro, going gym helps the mindset for trading so much. Trust me, bro. If you trade, go fucking gym. I mean, I don't go gym, but I work out at home. Work out, 100%. Work out. Work out, bro. 100%. Definitely, if at 24, I do as well, bro, 100%. Let's trade through. We've got 7 minutes. We should definitely wait for DXY though. Straight back off of it, bro. Well, we need DXY to do the same thing though. Yeah, Sam, 100%, brother. We need DXY to do the same thing. Tomorrow, London trades. We should continue the sales down 24. I'll be real, bro. We should do. Cracker got an AR. Wait, boys, we should start calling ourselves crackers way more, bro. Oh, bro, mate, bro, these songs, bro, the throwbacks to some of these. You see Banksy got revealed? No way he did. Tennessee. They should never reveal Banksy, bro. Mate, why would you ever reveal Banksy? Like, even the feds, bro, just let him be his fuck, mate. It's the coolest thing. What does Banksy look like? Is this Banksy? No way, bro. Yo, why did I think Banksy was like a fucking like proper like cool guy? Wait, this guy definitely is a pedophile. Bro, it's just like any Hollywood nonsense.
It's a 24.
Yeah, too soon for the EU sales. We need DXY to follow suit, plus we need closure, so we need another 5 minutes minimum. Bare minimum. Bro, that's sick though. Shout out Banksy, man. They should have never revealed his identity. Doesn't make Banksy as anywhere near as cool. Have they arrested him or something as well? Because he's a wanted guy, isn't he? Oh my days, they actually know his like everything. Now you type up Banksy, you actually know where he's from and that. That's mad, bro. I like Johnny Dank when he come to change. I'm in this style, ain't no lie. I would wait 15-minute, 5-minute best equilibrium for fair, but I get retrace. Yeah, 100%. We still need the trade for a VU. Sorry, the dollar. Mate, it took him bare long to know who Banksy is. You've actually finally got a Banksy Wikipedia now. His name's Robin Gunningham. Born in 1974. It's like the same year as my old lady. He's 50. Looks way older than 50. Listen, Banksy's like the sickest guy ever, by the way. If you don't know who Banksy, everyone knows. Surely everyone knows who Banksy is, actually. He's just the dirtiest guy. Looking for your shots now, bro. Yes, Kyle. But we need DXY to trade through this 15-minute, really. So not quite yet, bro. Get back. Mate, it's a good question. As you know, GU is not going to move into the daily fair value gap. Would it invalidate? I would still look for shorts. But it's more DXY what we will be watching, so hopefully notice what EU and GU is going to do. EU AMD. Is EU actually come closing? EU might not even close. I don't think it will close. We'll see what DXY does though. EU sells. How can I use EG to pick between GU? Great question. How can you use EG to pick between EU and GU? Let's take the example right now, right? Okay, and then this is the importance of all four. I explained this yesterday. I'm going to explain this again because this is such a good concept. Right. The importance of all four. DXY, EU, EG, and then GU, right? So if we have DXY bearish, no, let's just do real market scenario. So what we're looking for DXY bullish. So we want to sell EU, sell GU, okay? So if we're looking to sell EU, sell GU, we look at EG and see what that's doing. If that's weak, then we know that the euro is weaker than the pound. So we'd rather short EU over GU because the euro is weaker than the pound. So we should see more effort to the downside on EU than on GU. Close below on 5 minute. Yeah, we want 15 minute, bro. For me, if we take daily, I look for 15 minute structure to get traded through. On the 5 minute, I'll look at 4 hour. But when we take daily, I'll be looking at the 15 minute time frame for the trade through. And also on DXY, we kind of do need that trade through as well. So yeah, and then we trade straight off of that. We got 15 seconds. I don't think we're going to do it. I don't think EU's even going to trade through. Oh my god, it's actually not. It's actually not. We could come higher, lads. Hold your horses, boys. But again, what happened last week is we saw it happen at 4 PM. Remember, we saw it happen at 4 PM. So let's not jump to conclusions. Yo. We didn't even close below. Definitely Connor. Exactly what we had at the front end of last week, bro. The exact same thing. GJ typical. Where's GJ? Fuck! Motherfucker. This is our GJ trade. Where was the stop loss? Yeah, it must have been there. Yeah. They're still in GJ, mate. See, I am still in it. Let me double check. We in, brother. We still in, brother. It looks like, well, at the moment, bro, I'm not anticipating it for it to go lower just yet. But I would keep your eyes on DXY. It's going to give you a much better consensus on price. Cracker! Gardens, what you saying, Broski? So I'd say hold your horses, boys. Looks like we are probably definitely going to have to wait. This video is fucking bare weird, I remember this. Safe, how we doing, bro? We still haven't really moved off too much in GJ though, bear it in mind. We've still got to do a lot more. I probably will close it early though, because there's... If it gets to 4 PM and we've just... 4 PM I normally close most of my trades. Because we just see a massive drop off of volume. But hopefully we keep moving. My main focus, because I want to get trades on my main funded, so I'm mainly focused on EU, boys, to be honest. Do you think EU or G, or do you think EU going down or up? At the moment, it looks like it can probably continue up. But we haven't had the trade through, and we haven't had the trade through on DXY. So right now, I want to see sales, but we're not seeing it yet. It's gonna try. It's gonna. Bear in mind, boys, what it's gonna do is gonna entice people into start selling. But we don't want to be the guys that are already selling. Trust me. Don't be them guys. That's why we got to look at DXY and try to see the real move. Don't get manipulated, boys. I promise you, I help you guys not get manipulated. Yeah, most pairs have been fucking horrible. Wait for the DXY 15 minutes. Yes, that's it, Gomo. This one here, bro. Wait to see if price actually closes above this 15 minute. If it doesn't and continues down, we wait. And we might actually see GU then come into the daily. Doing off candle close retest fair value get retest of the IFVG, bro. Nah, got my. I wouldn't trade like that, bro. Not my real funded. I want to be high volume time, so to stop myself getting manipulated. Nah, I wouldn't do that. Oh, you meant Dixie? Yeah, Dixie, bro. That's why main focus should be DXY right now, lads. If we don't get the trade through, then we can only assume price is going to continue down, which it looks like it's continuing down. A lot of early sellers would have got into this and got fucked, and we'll be getting fucked right now. Alright, this is actually like... Oh, what a tune, bro. I haven't heard this one in a minute. Oh, this is actually a banger. So you man on the YouTube, you can see, for some reason, I'm wearing jeans. Well, that was pretty unsafe. I'm wearing jeans with Ugg slippers, bro. This is actually sauce right now. I just realised what the fuck I'm wearing, bro. Smelling like the best of weed. I got that old on. You know the love, Jono? Boys, trust me, every single live that you watch me and Lude have, I promise you, we will help you not get manipulated. Manipulation is everywhere in these markets. And it's your goal to dodge the manipulation and get in the real markets. And get the real move. Should I take this? Take what, sorry, Kai, yeah? Let's fucking move, GJ. Let's move, brother. This is the trade we had from the start of this live, boys. Get all this on my shoulder, bitch, I love smoking gas. I'm smelling like the best of weed, I got that odor on. With market experience and manipulation, easy to spot. 100%, bro. That's why you need market experience, boys. We've been in this market for about fucking 7 years now. We've been manipulated to shit. We've been manipulated for so many years, we dodge it now. And everyone needs to get to that stage, really. Afternoon G, many days without a trade. Don't worry, Tommy. It looks like we're going to get some really good EU-GU trade soon. Not EU just yet. Vesna, how's it going? Not just... this is kind of an annoying song, I'll be real. Bit of an... Oi, bro. Shout out Rihanna, bro. I actually... bro, again, like, Rihanna's one of those bitches you just would let fall on you, Johnny. You actually just would. You actually would. But yeah, I'd say we gotta wait really for EU. But Tommy, there's gonna be some great EU sales incoming, brother. Don't you dare stress it, bro. What do you think about UJ? Honestly, stay away. You got a weak US dollar and a weak JPY, so you don't want to trade it. Really. I appreciate the shares, Kanye, my broski. Boys, everyone share the live if you fucking love me. I love you too if you do. Motherfucker. We still ain't got this tradie. You seen TJR files? Wait, well, no, what do you mean files? What is it, a fucking PDF file, is it? Hit 1 to 3 with my EU. Lovely stuff, Green Pips. What'd you get in the buy? Lovely stuff, bro. What's EU saying? Looking for short after XY versus 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm looking at, I'll be honest, 5 minutes. Oh, yeah. I haven't actually seen the video. I actually still haven't seen that video, bro. I actually need to watch that, I'm not gonna lie. Amin? What was his name? What's the guy's name? Amin? What's his name? Mon trading. Exposing the biggest fake guru in trading, TJR trades. No, I haven't actually watched this yet. I'm gonna need to watch this still.
Of sharing and splitting the earned profits. On this one, he even said you would honestly get 10K a month. But unfortunately,
I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna keep that saved. Boys, I'm gonna jump off soon because it looks like we're not having much happening. I feel like the best trades for EU and GU might come tomorrow. To be honest. Bro, that video's got 400k in one day. That's insane. It's actually insane. Fuck. Yeah, I still need to watch that, bro. Looks like we are going to continue down, boys. This is why you don't jump in too early and get manipulated and kissed on and made love to. You do not want to get made love to, boys. GJ. I'll see ya. Yeah, GJ moving lovely. Iman trading, that's it. Dix on my going down to 4 hour with the block, but just hoping it punts from here. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, in my opinion, Jay, I feel like it'll be much better if we get price expand tomorrow. Like during London session. Or during London session, I'd say. Kizzy, how we doing? Is that Kizzy? Are you a female or a dude? Or are you a dude? I was about to draw you, man. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. You was about to get drawn like a female. When the sun shines, it shines together. Demand Train exposed him. Yeah, I need to give that a watch, man. I still ain't watched it. I'll be honest. I've been making a few videos for the last few days, so I've just not. I've not had time to watch it. Lou said he's watched it. But yeah, I might watch it after this. I mean, I've got a few bits to do, but it's a 40-minute long video, man. It's fucking. I'll be honest. I need to watch it. It's a fucking long old watch, though, isn't it? But what does he go over, boys? How does he scam people? I mean, I feel like it's quite obvious what he does. But I think, a big thing that he did was like rug pulling like cryptos and shit, which is just fucking scum. I mean, that's like robbing people, isn't it? It's like robbing old ladies, like. It's literally like robbing old ladies over the phone. It's like you pretty much the same. I'd see it in the same eyes, in the same lens. And people still watch him, bro. I don't know why people. I mean, this guy's. I mean, let's be honest. Like, I think we've all known. If you actually know trading, like, you know TGR doesn't know what he's on about. I've seen many times. I mean, he laughed at someone the other day for long in oil. Like, what the fuck are you laughing at someone for long in oil? I've seen some of the trades he's done on like live streams and shit, and they've been atrocious. He revenge trades. Someone that has a lot of money and made a lot of money through trading does not revenge trade. You never catch me revenge trading, ever. Ever. Never in a million years will I revenge trade. Yeah, I mean, I never really massively believed this guy, to be brutally honest, but I'm assuming a lot of it is. I mean, I want to see. I kind of want to see. I feel like a lot of it is rug pulling. When did you spend your first big payout on? Me and Lou went Thailand. First massive payout we got. We went Thailand. Our first big payout, I'll say, we went Thailand. This was the first time we went Thailand. This was like in 2021, yeah, like in 2021. 22, I think it was actually 2021, 2022. It was around that time. But yeah, me and Lou went Thailand. We got a nice villa in Thailand, and we was there for a month. We had a lovely time, man. We had a lovely time. I think me and Lou bought some garms. We bought some shoes. We bought some clothes and shit like that. Yeah, big. It was over 10k. First big payout was like $16 grand. It was. That's what it was. And that was both from me and Lou trading the same 100k account. That was like our first nice payout, bro. First big payout. Yo, bro, can you explain detail level, etc., please? Of course I can, bro. So, DTO, one of the most, such a fucking amazing concept. This concept is essentially stolen from, if you may, by a quarterly theory. Okay, I don't know if you guys know what quarterly theory is, but essentially the basis behind quarterly theory is that everything is cut up into quarters. So you can essentially cut up everything into quarters. So you've got Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Okay. Now DTO splits the day up. It is the midnight hour of New York time, which is at 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. midnight. In other words, 0000. This time here. Okay, and this is where a lot of volume sits with price, a heavy amount of volume. And if you notice, if you go on session range volume profile, you'll notice that a lot of the volume is near the DTO. It isn't massively here. Yesterday, it kind of isn't. Day before it is. It's pretty much on the DTO. DTO is midnight New York time. But if price wants to continue Asia session, it normally continues off the DTO. So, you know, we trade one main strategy, which is the ALG, which is Asia liquidity grab, which essentially is a reversal of Asia session. But what DTO encapsulates, it encapsulates the continuation of price. At 4 a.m. UK time at the moment, obviously because the clocks went forward in New York, or in America, sorry, it's currently 4 a.m. It's normally 5 a.m. So the last Sunday, it will go back to 5 a.m. I think it's the 29th of March, it will go back to 5 a.m. Yeah. But it's where price loves to bounce off of it in terms of, I mean, look at this. Look at this trade here. Price wants to continue price on. Pretty much bounce off that DTO level perfectly, right? Yeah, that's it, bro. So have a look at the yeah. Oh yeah, look. So look how many times he's come off this level here. This is the detail level. This blue line here is DTO. Honestly, boys, you go back through data, you'll see it happen all the time. DTO gets tapped and pushed off of often. Looking forward to getting a Discord. Yeah, Denson, yeah, drop me a message, bro. I mean, booking a call as well, man. We take calls all the time, so feel free to jump on a phone call with us, bro. If you got any questions and shit, don't hesitate to give us a shout, bro. Again, boys, if you sold early, you would have got manipulated. Do not get manipulated. If you get manipulated, you're going to lose trades often. This market is full of manipulation. You've got to find out the best way to trade these bloody markets, boys, okay? It's very key. Right, boys, I'm going to jump off now. I've got some shit to do, and I kind of do want to go watch this video. So I'll catch you boys tomorrow. We see what other trades we can get. GJ's still in. We're still running quite nicely on GJ's. I'm in a little bit of a reversal, but we'll see what it does by the end of the day. EU, GU, should see those properly come through tomorrow. We can see the reaction off the daily and see if we continue price on. Other than that, boys, I love you all and I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Sweet. YouTube, I love you all, bro. You are the main dudes. You are the main family. You, man, you know you, man, are the fucking goats, man. Appreciate all the fucking support. Make sure you've liked the live. I appreciate if you do. We're trying to grow this YouTube channel as much as we bloody can. And I appreciate all the help you, man, can give us. Boys, I catch you, man, tomorrow. I'll be back with the pre-London at 6:30 in the morning every single fucking day. If I miss it, I'm probably dead. And yeah, let's see if we can get those lovely EU and GU positions, lads. Love you all, man. Take care.